So let me show you how to transfer from wallet to exchanger in Binance. First of all, after you open up now the Binance app, go to wallet. After you come to the wallet, go to asset at bottom right side. After you come to asset, from this option now, go and search for the coin you want to transfer. So if I scroll to down, let's say I want to transfer USDT. So after you tap on this USDT, so after you come to this option, now at the top, make sure to choose the network you want to transfer under it. So you can just swipe it down and go through all the network and choose the one you want to use. But for me, I want to use BNB chain. So I tap on this send button. So from this option now, it will ask you to paste in the address. But before you come to this option now, make sure you go to the exchanger, Binance exchanger, and copy the address of the token you want to send. So for me, I already copied the Binance USDT address. So I'll tap on this option now and paste in the address. After I paste in the address in this option, tap on this done button and tap on this continue button again. So from this option now, specify the amount you want to withdraw. I want to withdraw, let's say 500 USDT. So now if I tap on this continue button, now this 500 USDT will be transferred into my Binance exchanger. And that's it, guys.